Thanks, Jack. Yeah, you join us here on scene of a mystery. Another mystery of a Defender, which has been going for the last 30 years in the making. What we have here is the mystery of some disappearing pieces of door. Here is some evidence that we found earlier. Also, we have discovered a little bit of flex in the door. Is this normal? Let's see what happens if we open and close it. So, to get to the bottom of this and how we're going to repair it, let's speak to the owner. He's on site at the moment. Let's go over to him. Yeah, Land Rovers don't rust. This doesn't look too bad, does it? Let's have a look at the other side. Look at that. It's just totally finished. This part used to belong in here somewhere. Cut that out. There's another piece here. It's probably fitted in there somewhere. Totally gone. You can see what's happening over here. So I've left the piece where the aluminium has been folded over. I don't want to go and touch that too much. Keep the bottom of the door a little bit straight. Oh, that's bad. You can see all the oxidation here in the aluminium. So yeah, as the reporter said, 30 years in the making, man. Look at this lot. So how are we going to fix this? Well, we have a temporary repair in the form of steel profile, 35 millimeters by 35. This is galvanized steel, so we're pretty sure that's not going to rust. We're going to put it in here, something like that. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to glue it. I'm going to glue it to the door, because the width is about the same as the door frame itself. And so here we'll put a bracket to tie it into this piece here, because that's where your hinge is, man. Check those two bolts. So yeah, if we leave it like it is, sure, this will give it a bit of rigidity, the door, this piece here. But that's not how it's intended, right? So we're placing a lot of faith in this rusty piece here. And yeah, this is just flexing at the moment. Yeah, so scuff this up a little bit with a grinder, give it a bit more purchase for the Polymax, man. We are not sponsored, we are just saying it's good stuff. It's going to glue onto here. So we give it a good dose, and we've got our magic tricks here as well. And where would you be without a piece of wood, huh? A little, what is this, about 1.5 by 1.5 for those of you in the US. Should have been a cake maker, man. Right, let's give this a go. Good clearance, man. So a quick check at a previous hack. As we can see, this is looking pretty good. Actually, I'll take it. That's not too bad, because most of it's still there. What the previous owner did is put this aluminium pieces here. Oh, it's 2 pieces as well. And he did that, pop riveted that into the bottom of this. So when you look at the door, it looks pretty good, right? But basically looking at aluminium. So this side also had a little aluminium strip on it. except there was nothing left to put the aluminium strip on, and that's what alerted us to it. I managed to close the door, and this piece falls on the ground, and the rest kind of just fell apart. Right, fascinating stuff, guys. I hope you guys are still tuned in, because this is hotting up a lot now. We're watching glue drying, literally. I would have a request from the owner, if anyone out there has an address for some new Defender doors or old Defender doors, it doesn't really matter, something to replace this. This is obviously a little bit of a hillbilly hack, dare I say it. Yeah, but it'll work because it's solid, it's galvanized now. It'll give the door a bit of rigidity once that little bracket is in there. Fascinating stuff, all happening here live. We will tune in again to watch the end of this epic saga. Over to you, Jack. I'll be here watching the glue dry live.